computer to save a human life. He's the designer of the archetypes for the Apple Newton and the Microsoft Bob operating system. I mean, this guy's been around for a long time. He's also, he's had numerous awards. He's including the Westinghouse Entrepreneur of the Year, Arizona Innovation Network's Innovator of the Year, Arizona Software Association's Entrepreneur of the Year, twice nominated for the Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year, the Public Relations Society, and so on. I mean, you can see, you can read the program. I mean, it's absolutely astounding. This is a man you really want to meet. He's really quite incredible. Are you ready to go?
Geez, almost, thank you.
Yes.
I think I got a long bio and it matches the setup time.
So, he has also been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and PC Novice and Popular Science. I really want to ask him about paper models because it has something to do with downloadable three-dimensional models and business advertising.
Yeah.
Promotion. What is that?
You get to make a little cube.
So that's pretty amazing. And he is a prolific speaker on social media. He attends conferences constantly and speaks to social media issues. And he's also been very involved in dealing with social media and email marketing as well. So that's one of our sessions later too. He's also doing a very special bonus workshop this afternoon, so if you can get to that, do see him there. So I'm going to give you a couple